Welcome to the KLF-01 demonstration video presented by Kaslo Incorporated. Currently, the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, recommends that fire sprinkler systems be tested annually. Each time a fire sprinkler system is drained, whether for testing, tenant improvements, or repairs, the water from the system is usually drained onto an exterior surface, such as a parking lot or loading dock. This water, and the residue from the water, eventually makes its way to public storm drains and further on to streams and rivers. This particular fire sprinkler system is only 2 months old, and yet you can see the water is already rust-colored. Here, the KLF-01 has been attached to the main drain of a fire sprinkler system. For this demonstration, a sight glass has been installed, along with a valve so a before sample can be taken. As the main drain is opened, water flows into the KLF-01, where it is filtered and then discharged. This is a sample of the water being taken before it enters the KLF-01 cabinet. At the same time, a sample was taken of the water discharging after the cabinet. Here is an overhead view of the two samples. The sample on the left was taken before the KLF-01, while the sample on the right is after the water had passed through the KLF-01. These samples were then packaged up and sent to an outside lab for testing. Here are the samples just before they were sent for testing. The two small bottles shown here are both clear glass bottles. Later, after the bag filters had dried, some of the material that had been caught by the KLF-01 was removed and placed on this white sheet of paper. Then, a magnet was introduced. As you can see, the material is metallic. Here again is some material that was removed from the filter, and again a magnet was introduced. This material is being discharged every time a fire sprinkler system is drained, which happens quite often. Just in Northern California alone, there are more than 200 fire sprinkler systems drained daily on an annual average. These substances are placed on the parking lots, sidewalks, and landscaping, and eventually make it to rivers and streams. In addition, the unsightly stains caused by the draining of these fire sprinkler systems are also no longer a problem when using the KLF-01.